Bro, you get no content tonight. Just
I'm sipping tea, be what I eat, kick up the feet, no sense of creed, float like a butterfly, sting like a bee, good reflexes like a knock. S at the feet, you I delete, my boots from Greece made with feathers from geese, counting loose leaf with the face of the sea. Count up the bread, count up the years. This is for my nemesis, a rifle. If you pull up, then you dead on rifle. We gon' cross them like the symbol on Bible. Call us SpongeBob 'cause
What's up guys, back with another video. This video today is going to be crazy. Lots of crazy stuff going down, so before we get into the video, make sure to like and subscribe and comment, and I might just heart your comment. But the first thing up, I'll be trying to ride Xander's motorcycle.
He actually has to watch closely.
Alpha Chad Gavin here.
Alpha Chad Gavin.
Just-
Damn, Gavin, now you're so sexy.
I do this, I kick
All right, now it seems like he's not giving a gas.
You weren't giving a guess?
No,
No, that was
just so brakes, then clutch.
mango here.
I'm so sorry. Why wasn't it turning? Yo, my bad, bro.
No.
I feel so bad.
No, this is that was first try.
Yeah.
Yo, I was going and I was like, that curve getting mighty close.
We're trying to turn, you're getting on the ignition, you flipped
It's a choke.
What's happening, bro?
No,
It's fucking up my bike.
that took off, bro. I swear to God.
Yeah, I don't know. I should go back on there.
What, did you fuck someone?
Let me get a light. Oh my, this shit is actually broken. Yeah.
That means I'm wheeling it.
That's
literally right after he
right
crashed
after
you.
Gavin crashed.
You guys crashed that bitch.
Yo, I feel awful. Okay, so I'm really bored right now, but I had a genius idea. So I'm sure you've all heard of ding dong ditching, but what if we took that idea and hit upgrade? So I'm thinking, what if we put random items on people's front door? All right, so I think I'm gonna put Coke at someone's door first, because I think that would be, oh shoot. I think that'd be really funny. I hit him off with the plunger first. I wonder if I can put it in this bush right here. Dude, he's opening the door. I see him. He's just looking at it, bro. Picking it up. No, he taking my punch.
One eternity later.
Dude, Mans was there forever. What the? Meow. Mission successful. Dude actually took it. What a noob, dude. Imagine falling for a ding dong ditch in 2021. I think those are windy stairs. Okay, so tonight, the first event, we're playing tennis with a flaming tennis ball. Dude, what has this tennis ball been through?
Oh no, Meredith.
Man, in my head, I was really thinking this was gonna work. Hit it, I gotta hit it. Oh! I did not expect it to work that well at all. Oh, nice. Firebender, bro. It was like Stella's chewed up.
Yeah, Stella's gonna miss.
Poor Stella.
Real smart.
Toss it up. This. What did you? Oh! Oh! Oh!
Go! That is a 20 hit my car.
Oh, it's steamed, bro.
It's like those powdered donuts.
That's nasty.
That almost hit me.
Skateboard.
Yeah, they hit like the last 9.
All right.
Oh. No way.
I haven't seen you since last year, Lucas.
Dude.
Yo.
Dude, he has tennis balls. Let's go.
I literally found this in my car. I guess God has a plan or something. Yeah.
God's plan.
You mean hold the camera?
Ooh, there we go.
This girl is on
Yo, I wasn't playing. Hey, I'm telling you, this dude just hits it at me.
Jesus.
It's like a banana peel.
Skateboard on fire. Flip thingy. You wanna do it?
No, I can't. That looks like a wrestler.
Focus.
Those are pretty moldy.
Bro, skateboard?
Oh, really? It's from Tommy's broken fridge.
This one looks fine.
Oh no. Yo, hey, we got plenty for you, bro. Gee.
So we're trying to light it here. It's not cooperating. If you Tommy, step in the fire. Well, why don't you just put the? That looks so.
That looks
cool.
really cool.
Honestly, pain.
That was so weird. Oh, that's the. Oh, that looks cool.
Oh, get that out.
And you want this? 3.2%.
That sounds like.
That actually sounds like
sex or something.
That's some high quality sex right there. 1.7. 7,000. Like your grandma keeps unsubscribing.
My grandma's about like 1.6 of those. Like,
Grandma, you gotta pump those numbers, bro.
Grandma.
Out of that homeless shelter.
You guys actually look for kids in parking lots?
I don't. Okay.
I don't know how you were successful tonight.
They took my car, and then when they came back, they're like, "Yo, we found some kids."
Where?
The road had the entire way.
Oh my god, they get backing off my boys and I should be into it because it's like a feminine.
Oh, you gotta sit on it for a little bit.
It's numb.
Hey, look at that. That's a good
Holy
Hey, is he throwing up?
Yeah.
Just watch it.
I killed a goose with a rock one time. All of its babies.
Oh man, that's fucked.
Cut that out.
No, that can't go in.
Because it was in the school courtyard.
He was on a turf.
Yo, what's this encounter, man? Well, at least we got pink pineapple passion.
Hey,
sounds like sex. It's all week.
No.
That's definitely a road.
No way. He's driving on the track, bro. Yo, he's driving on. Oh. Oh my. Driving laps around the. What? Yo, dude, I'm waiting for him to hit the tree, bro.
Yeah, bye.
It's a Highlander, bro.
I'd be checking the news tomorrow morning and be like, teenagers wrapped around a telephone.
Yo, he was not joking about killing a goose.
It was like, yeah, and then we killed a goose and his family. It was like, oh, that's so weird.
yeah.
Well, it was in our school courtyard.
Yo, 2020, I'm amazing so far.
Crazy here. We should just do everything we usually do, but light it on fire. Light my running shoes on fire. Lifting weights on fire.
On fire.
Put my clothes on fire. Drive my car.
On fire.
On fire. Credit card when I go to the grocery. On fire. I'm walking down the street. Sun. On fire. Fire. Meredith. On fire.